Here we are back again with another POD video. So today what you're going to be working on, because I'm gone, is a classroom challenge. Now I do this every single election year, and what I try to get you guys to do is try to predict and get as close as possible to the actual election results. So as we have talked about in the past, the Electoral College is essentially the only thing you need to win the presidency. So what I have done is I have found different websites, and you can use any one you want to come up with your own prediction as to what is going to happen with the presidential election in 2020. So I have two different ones that I found, and all you have to do is just go on Google, type in interactive electoral college map, either go to like the CNN one or like the Fox News one, and start making predictions. Now what you need to do is you need to make sure you're resetting your map. You want to start with a blank map, so we'll use the Fox News one. And what you have to do is you have to do your own research to figure out who is going to win what state. And it's pretty easy to fill out. I would recommend writing it down in case something happens and your website crashes, but all you have to do is click on it. So for example, we'll start with our own state of North Dakota. Now, the way that most people do this, and they start to get competitive because they want to win the reward, whether it's a Dairy Queen gift card or whatever we're going to decide when I get back in class, but you want to do some research. So what I did is I just Googled North Dakota presidential poll. Now, we've already talked about this in class, and you can probably predict who is going to win. But this website is pretty good. It's called 538.com, and they're going to show you all the states, and they're going to show you the polling. So, for example, we can look here. We see the latest poll shows that Donald Trump is winning the state of North Dakota. You can scroll down, and you can see, for example, the net result here, saying exactly where he's leading, what are the total points, where they got that information, and from this we can probably make the prediction that Donald Trump is going to win the state of North Dakota. So then what you would have to do, you'd go back to North Dakota, you would click it until it shows up as red, and then you see Republican votes go to 3. Another one that I think that this website is really good, we'll use California for example. Go and scroll there, California. Joe Biden looks like he has a commanding lead. So if you want to make your prediction that Joe Biden is going to win the state of California, you go to your map here, you click it until it becomes blue, and now we see based on the two results, it is 55-3. So what you want to do is you want to go through each of the states, doing research, making your prediction. This is something that it might take you more than a class period. If it takes more than a class period, that's fine with me. But overall, you want to try to figure out what the result is going to be. So this is the one from the Fox News. The same thing is going to be true on this one. And I'll tell you this, it shows what the polls are predicting right now. Right now it's predicting a Joe Biden victory. But you want to make sure that you're clicking from scratch. That way you can use that to figure out and get exactly the result that you want. But anyways, hopefully that makes sense. That is going to be the assignment that you're working on. I thought it would be easier for me to explain it instead of trying to write it out and actually show you. So you can use this example, this 538. Another website that I found was pretty good was this 270 to win, and all you really got to do here is just scroll down and you can see all the states, all the polls. Let's click on a close one. Well, let's look at Arizona. They're going to show you all the recent polls, and they're going to show you exactly who they believe is going to be winning. And you can see just how close they are, 50-46, 46-46, 47-46. So based on that, you want to pretty much make your prediction to see who you think is going to win the presidency, and we will tally these actual electoral maps and determine which one of you is the winner of that coveted gift card.